We're now on day 15 of the Delphi double homicide trial. News 18's Madison Kopp has the latest from the Carroll County Courthouse.
It's day 15 of the Delphi double homicide trial for suspect Richard Allen. Allen is accused of murdering Abigail Williams and Liberty German off of a hiking trail in Delphi in 2017. The first witness of the morning was Dr. Polly Westcott. Westcott is a neuropsychologist who specializes in forensic pathology and neurophysiology. In May of 2023, Dr. Westcott started working with Richard Allen's defense team, but she has testified in court cases for both defense and prosecution. When she was first contacted, she was asked to look at Allen's mental health history, do a neuropsychological exam, and determine context for his mental health decline during the time of his confessions. Dr. Westcott started with his mental health history and records of people who watched and listened to Richard Allen. She also watched video footage and listened to phone calls Allen made from prison. Westcott said it was very unusual to get to see 20 hours of patient video footage and review suicide watch notes like she did for Allen. She met with Allen in August 2023 and performed a 2-hour evaluation and a 5-hour test over 2 days. She also met with Allen's wife, Kathy, as well. In Westcott's evaluations, she learned multiple things about Allen, that he had an extensive mental health history, that Allen constantly felt like he was letting his family down. When Allen arrived at Westville, he arrived with depression and anxiety. She also learned that Allen has a dependent personality disorder and is dependent on his wife, Kathy. And when he was cut off from her, his depression became much more pronounced and escalated to psychosis. Westcott also noted that when Allen was being isolated, he wasn't having meaningful contact with his wife, which caused his psychosis. Westcott said that she conducted tests which showed that Allen was not faking or exaggerating his symptoms. And this was shown that it contradicts Dr. Monica Walla's testimony. The defense noted that Westcott did objective testing and Walla didn't. Westcott did a handwriting analysis of Allen using a letter he wrote in November 2022. And he compared that to his confession letter in spring 2023. She noted that the two were significantly different and that his letter structures were different, there were no grammar or punctuation, and his signatures were different. After a short break, the defense recalled witness Max Baker. Baker is attorney Brad Rosie's intern. Baker compiled videos of Allen from inside his cell at Westville Correctional Facility. So the video has timestamps but no audio. And he reduced 20 hours of video into 2 videos, compiled of 5-minute segments. The 2 videos were shown to the jurors and angled away from the public. During this time, several jurors took notes while watching and looked visibly upset and uncomfortable. During cross-examination, Baker said he chose those videos to show different aspects of Allen's life in prison and to show the jury the truth. We will have the latest information from inside the courtroom on air and on our website. Reporting in Delphi, I'm Madison Kopp.